All right, so here's what we got here. We have a gas pedal for a Jeep Power Wheel. It's got a bad pedal assembly. This is just a 2-prong setup here. You could buy a new one from Power Wheels, but we needed it right now, so we went to AutoZone. Got this momentary switch. You want to make sure it's a momentary, which means it does not stay on or off, right? So when they let off, it'll go through. We just modified this setup here so the switch fits, and gonna put it back in for $10, and they're back on the road. Like and subscribe. Drive. Say cheese. Uh-oh, you can't hit that hole.